how to fix your Twitter or X verification code not arriving. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your phone number. So make sure that you enter the correct phone number with the right country code as well. If that is not the case, it could also be your Wi-Fi. Simply try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection, or even try turning on and off your router. You can also go ahead and wait for a few minutes in order for the code to get received, or you could also check your spam folder in your messages or email. If that doesn't work, click on resend code and then wait for a couple of minutes, or you could also try switching the method to receive it completely, or even try restarting your phone. If none of it works, just go to help.x.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next